Alexa, turn on the lights. Hey Siri, what is the news today? All these are AI assistant tools which we use day to day life. Welcome to the AI world. Happy day to one and all. I am Swetha MS. I am going to teach you on AI in marketing. Before knowing what is AI is, we need to know AI runs only through means of data which they acquire from us, and the voluminous data which they use day to day life. Okay, so let us have one small clarity related to AI. It is a buzzword which is being used in day to day life, where people are using it in a very constant basis. And AI, artificial intelligence, metaverse, digital natives, all these terms are like bombarding us here and there. And now AI is nothing but it's a technology that is being enabling us in order to connect the human intelligence along with the computer language. So AI will be the platform which is being used by each and every company in this day-to-day life. Okay, so when it comes to AI's definition, it is nothing but the intelligence demonstrated through means of machine learning. And when it comes to machine learning, we need to know what is machine learning is, because I'm going to repeatedly state that machine learning is an important aspect. So what is it? It is nothing but a component where a computer understands. It's a language that computer understand, and where the aspect of algorithm is being prepared through means of machine learning. So in AI there are 4 components. One is deep learning, one is neural learning, and then you have data mining. All these are the technologies which is being used, and you have machine learning too. So all these are the things which data has been curated, and through means of that we have personalized aspect is being touched in the digital world. So when it comes to digital world, we are not having physical contact, or like we don't have like personalized effect, because we are always screen sighting. So when we need to have a physical like personalization, we need to have AI. So AI will be help us to get that personal connect along with the technology whatever you use. So when it comes to AI in marketing, the application is pretty simple. So you will have one aspect of input, and there will be an output, and through means of that output application is being done. So when it comes to input, let us take an example of picture. A picture is being inputted, and we will be addressing a question whether it is like human face or it is a AI enabled face. Through means of that, photo tagging is the application which is being used, followed by loan applications, whether the person who is acquiring the loan will have the capacity to repay it. So when it is to be insurance company or any other company which is going to provide loan, or like any banks which is going to provide loan, any financial sector going to provide loan, will be utilizing AI, so that they will be knowing through means of consumer profiling, they will be knowing whether you can your applicant can repay the loan or not, or else in simple words, whether they are the loan applicant which is eligible for your company policy. Then next one, ad plus user information. So when it comes to online, you cannot like have track through means of whether repeated customers are coming or not into your profile, whether they are just screen sighting and not purchasing or not. All these things is being like tracked through means of your tracked online ads. So if you see in your Amazon, when you cite one picture or like one product, it will be repeatedly bombarding in your social media sites as well as all the other platforms. Through means of this, it is nothing but it is called targeted ads. So your database is being targeted, based on that it is being like included. Okay, so this is done through means of AI. Moving on to this, several other examples, audio clip. So as I started the session, we saw what is Alexa, we know voice assistants like Siri, OK Google, all these are the voice assistants which is being enabled through means of speech recognition application. So it is also a AI generated application. Then framing an English sentence, and my native language is French, and if my native language is any other language, so I need to translate it. So in order to understand, comprehend, there is language transition, and Google also provides Google language translators. So likewise, you have automated cars, you have lot of AI like technologies where all your home appliances is being connected along with your artificial intelligence. So all these are the application of artificial intelligence. So moving on to the next aspect. So these are the major elements any digital marketer will be utilizing in. So first one is ad precision and effectiveness. How can we do it with help of AI? The first one is targeting and developing a consumer profiling. So when it comes to ad targeting and consumer profiling, we will be able to do it in an effective manner. Next one, audience optimization. When it comes to audience optimization, whatever the targeted information is being analyzed into a data. So and that data has been curated, and they will be adjusting along with the whatever the consumer's preference. It was being analyzed and it is being telecasted through means of giving them personalized aspect. Next one, creative relevance information. So when it comes to how will I know whether my audience is liking it or not? So through means of automatic ad creation, the marketers are developing a proper strategy to have a content pertaining to whatever the relevant is. So if you see, insurance company website will have related posts of cars. So in case if you vice versa, if there is a car website, there will be an insurance post where you can, especially related to car insurance. So all these are interconnected. So that is what your content relevance. So that is being curated through means of your tracking system and automation. Next one is your media efficiency. When it comes to media efficiency, through means of media mix modeling strategy, which is being called as an AI application, the media effectiveness and efficiency, whether that target audience utilize that AI or not, will be noticed, and it is being like developed. Next one is your fraud and brand safety issues to be avoided. So when it comes to digital era, definitely privacy is a big threat. Okay, when it comes to these aspects, there are lot of uniqueness, especially in Apple phones. So if you see the Apple advertisement, the major aspect what they as a tagline is to preserve your privacy. So their uniqueness is to tag that privacy is the king and the customer's privacy is their major motive. So through means of AI and the mechanism and the algorithm, they utilize to have their audience to grasp through means of privacy. Next one, targeting. Audience, as I said already, audience targeting is nothing but collecting all the information and giving you a personalized way of projection. Whatever product lines, how frequent you are searching, all these are the major aspect. Even LinkedIn has a great platform where they are targeting and they are finding out whether which day if you post a post, you will be able to have more number of views and more number of likes. So through means of this, they are able to state it for their customers during Wednesday or like Tuesday, if you post a post, you will have more number of views. So all these are through means of the background work which AI does through means of your algorithm. Moving on to the next aspect, the real life examples. So when it comes to Coca-Cola has launched a new advertisement where art and AI is being combined together, and they have released a ad campaign. Moving on to the Volkswagen. Volkswagen has decided a platform where they are forecasting how frequently the buyers are purchasing and what kind of accessories are needed for Volkswagen to help the customer satisfaction. Then moving on to the Tomorrow Sleep, they also use AI in order to develop content. Then last one is your Nutella. So Nutella has generated a package, and through that package they are able to frame a customized package which is being generated by the customer itself through means of AI. So when it comes to AI, okay, on the whole, we are going to have all the voice assistant, you have lot of robots, all these mechanism in the day-to-day life. Okay, when just to add it along with the major aspect, tip is being given from the US report, IAB, Interactive Advertising Bureau. They have released a report stating that Google Assistant is one of the most prioritized AI virtual voice recognition software, and Alexa is being recognized for the home appliance related AI is being Alexa has been given, and Siri is also one of the most top virtual assistant for the people who are utilizing AI in their day-to-day life. So always when it comes to technology, it is a double-edged sword. So when it is being like that, it is in our hand, we will utilize it in a very careful manner, as all the data which is being explained, or it is being preserved for the purpose of marketing. So it is yes, there should be more stringent policies that will help the people to develop more they will feel confident in order to use AIs. Okay, so I will just wind up my session with the next revolution, that is nothing but Humaniz wearable AI projector. So it is called as AI pin, which is being pinned into your attire, and you can check whatever your notification, whatever you have it in your hand, you can have it through means of your voice assistant. So for example, here a man has badam in his hand, and he is asking what is the content in my hand. It is enabling the content stating that it contains this number of calories along with what is the protein value. So similarly the weather forecast and the calls, message, all these things is enabled in your palm. So this has been a new launch, and I think we are stepping into the new world AI era. Thank you.